Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Caspi coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion. That how many zeros Caspi coin can kill here, because right now we are 90% down in its all-time high. So is it possible that Caspi can reclaim its all-time high again in coming few months or not? Can we see its listing on tier 1 central exchanges or not? So it will be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. And if you not joined my Telegram channel yet, okay, you can join my Telegram channel where you can get all newly crypto updates here. Okay, all videos update here. Okay, just like you can see, I told you about Brasic coin on my Telegram channel. After that, Brasic pump by 2x here and many other coins. So Telegram channel link in description. You can join Telegram channel. Stress Caspi current price rupees 5 times $0.98, jump almost 11% in last 24 hours, and in last 7 days pump by 50% here, because friends recently we touched this all time low, so that's why right now its price is going upward here. You can see last 30 days 27% jump. Also current market cap just $3.2 million, so right now market cap is super low, already hit almost $30 million market cap. Okay, few months ago when Kaspi was on its all-time high. So at that time, Kaspi already hit $30 million market cap. So this is good, friends. $55,000 trading volume only. So trading volume is very low. Okay, because still in crypto market we have no any major high for KRC20 meme coins. Okay, but friends, when Caspa coin will be listed on Binance, then definitely we can see all KRC20 meme coins, massive hype in crypto market. Just we have Solana, Sui, and BNB Chain meme coins hype in crypto market definitely. And coming few months, we can see same hype for KRC20 meme coins also. So definitely it's possible. I can see, friends. Okay, 333 billion coin supply all in circulation. This is Caspa ecosystem meme coin, a charity token, a cat theme meme coin, and a expression meme coins. This is good. We are only 60% up in its all time low. So this is right now good, because or 6 days ago this meme coin was in its all time low, and right now we are going upward here. 90% down in its all time high. They were in October last year. Like 0.4 times $0.96. We are almost 90% down in its all time high. So no doubt this is major jump in Caspi price. But friends, as entire crypto market is dump, so we cannot blame only Caspi. It's normal, and because right now is again going upward here. As you can see, we are 60% up in its all-time low in just 6 days. So this is good. MEXC, Bioeconomy, CoinX, Bitmart, and XG.com has already listed this coin. If you have not MEXC accounts yet, I will provide you MEXC exchange link in description. You can join MEXC exchange where you can buy these all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. FS Gatsby are 100% minted here. You can see, okay, mints are completed. It's 100% mint, means there will be no more token left to come in circulation in future. And it's you can see fully minted, and LP is burned. So this is good. Holder count, you can see, friends, 4297 holders. So number of holders good. 182 days ago this meme coin was developed here, launched here, so this is good. Number of holders good, because still we have only 5 central exchanges listing, and these are the top holders of this meme coin. You can see, friends, MEXC has highest supply, that is 8.7%. Okay, second wallet is CoinX wallet, holding 4.3% supply. So first 10 wallets holding more than 1% of supply, but out of them mostly are central exchanges. But friends, this meme coin is working on Caspa chain, so that's why this meme coin is very unique, and that's why it's possible that Caspi can be the next big crypto here. If we see Caspa coin listing on Binance and massive hype for KRC20 meme coin, at that time definitely Caspi has potential to do something amazing. At that time it's also possible that we can see KRC20 meme coin listing on tier 1 central exchanges, because Caspa chain has a few best meme coins just like Nacho the Cat, Kango coin, and this Caspi. So definitely Caspi has also potential to be the number one meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem. I think my price prediction for Caspi is, I think has potential to maybe reach 6 to maybe $800 million market, because right now we are super early in KRC20 meme coins. Still there's no any hype in crypto market for KRC20 meme coins, but friends, in coming few months maybe it's possible that we can see massive hype for KRC20 meme coin, and at that time maybe Kaspi can hit 6 to 800 million dollars market cap here.